This tutorial aims to clarify licensing terminology because the words airline pilot license are sometimes misunderstood. As we have already specified in other tutorials, some mistakes will be forgiven to journalists or newbies, but if you're an enthusiast or a future pilot, you need to know a few details. The Air Transport Pilot License, of which the acronym ATPL you have seen in many previous tutorials, is not a license that's obtained in a flight school. Although it sounds strange, this license is obtained by an airline company. The only thing that a school can offer you is the theoretical ATPL course, the course that you can attend during your studies to become a commercial pilot, and which includes, as we've already said in previous tutorials, both the theoretical part for the license, commercial, CPL, and the theoretical part for the instrumental rating, IR. We have described this course as advantageous due to the fact that there are two courses in one, CPL and IR, and that the instrument rating is important. However, now we can also add another advantage to this course. Whenever you've passed the theoretical exams, it is said that you have obtained a frozen ATPL. That is, that you have frozen your theoretical knowledge until you have the minimum requirements to take the practical exam, which is 1,500 total flight hours on an airplane or 1,000 hours on a helicopter, of which a part is instrumental flight, a part at night, and a part flying in multiple crew. So, why should I take the course if I cannot take the ATPL practical exam now? Let's return back a step. Airliners and some types of helicopters need two people to be piloted, captain and co-pilot. The first job on board these aircraft is obviously as a co-pilot, and for this role these titles are requested. Commercial Pilot License, CPL, obtained with a modular or integrated path, the Instrumental Rating, the MCC course, Multi-Crew Coordination, and the ATPL Theoretical Exams. The ATPL license is the title you will need in order to become a captain, and which is obtained once the requirements are met, with an internal examination by the company. Now, it would have been much simpler if instead of an airplane pilot license, they'd called it a captain's license. However, we must abide by the regulations. So, in summary, with the commercial license and the various qualifications, you can become a multi-crew co-pilot. And with the ATPL license, you can become a multi-crew captain. So the schools that promote courses to become airline pilots do not provide courses to obtain the ATPL license. They simply try to cut all this explanation that we have given you by saying that with their courses, you can go to work in an airline company or in a helicopter company as a co-pilot. It is just a commercial translation of what we've said, to simplify the promotion a little. There is still a little curiosity. For the frozen ATPL, the commutative property is not valid. If ATPL equals CPL plus IR, it's not true that CPL plus IR equals ATPL. Or if you take a theoretical ATPL exam, you can automatically obtain commercial pilot license and instrument flight rating. If on the other hand you will take two separate theoretical exams, CPL and IR, you will have to take the theoretical ATPL exam in order to become a line captain. If you have any questions or curiosities, contact us at info@checkbeforeflight.com or refer to the definitions in Wiki Before Flight. Happy landings.